how was your day?
David's
Are you
taking
gonna
his
cry
own.
too?
Yeah, look at him. David's taking his own pictures.
No, I'm picturing of the dog. Look at
I'm
her.
just gonna keep the video going until you guys like cry again. which will
Hey,
probably
doggy,
be 2
doggy.
minutes.
Kira. Kira. Kira.
She doesn't want to be on the video.
No. And you know that when I come home, she doesn't even bother to learn the bed.
Nuh-uh. She's like, alright, I know who that is.
Yes, exactly. When the kids come home, she
She
got.
knows the sound.
Say hello to the
she,
camera.
She greets them.
Sam, I am going to put down that you're gonna cry in the next 45 minutes.
Effect.
Or at least within 45 minutes from now.
Sam, what those are your bathing suits or they are Milo's, honey?
Alright, so I'm saying goodbye for now, so we'll look at this later.
Samuel.